Hello. I've had quite a few emails from people asking me about what to do about really dry skin. So if you're a regular client, you've had a little email message from me telling you about how you might wish to edit your spring skincare range. But what I wanted to do today is talk about how you can boost your routine skincare using real self-care treats, home care facial treatments like this, the Alumier Hydration Kit, in order to really boost the hydration of your skin and give you that kind of luminosity and that glow that comes from having skin that's really well hydrated. So this kit, of course, first comes all beautifully bagged up because we do like a bit of a bag. It's got 4 things in it. It's got the head mask. It's got a lovely brush so you can apply your face mask treatment and it can give you a little bit of extra joy. And then it's got a really large 120ml tube of aqua infusion mask, which has really been robustly tested to be pushing hydration into the skin and holding it there for about 72 hours. And it's got my favourite exfoliant. Now, most of you if you've been to the clinic, this is the thing that I tell you is the holy grail of anti-aging, is that boost in exfoliation. And this product, which is a mix of lactic acid and salicylic acid, does that with such style and without causing the skin really any harm or making it feel at all sore, which is what some scrubs can do. We don't like scrubbing in clinic. So what do? Well, it's really simple. Wash your face, use a face cloth, enjoy that process. Take your exfoliating liquid, put a couple of pumps on your cotton wool and firmly wipe round, forehead first. Forehead's like a little bit of exfoliation. Nose, upper lip, chin, under the chin, cheeks last. So partly because I'm rubbing firmly and partly because of the product itself, you'll see my skin has got quite a flush to it now, and this will just settle. It's totally normal. It's showing the blood's pumping through and the products are doing their job. Once that's done, take a little blob about as big as a kind of a broad bean, about 3 mils. I use this all the time, so it's nearly empty. Onto your hand, use your brush, which does feel very nice, or I'm going to just rub it round. You want a reasonably thick layer. You can leave it on, it says 10 to 15 minutes, but I will leave this on really, even sleeping in it occasionally, but it is a little bit sticky to do that. Backs of your hands as well, always do the backs of your hands and leave it on. You can supercharge this as a home treatment by adding in perhaps the Alumier under eye patches, which are so lovely to add hydration under the eyes. I should have brought some scissors. Let me just show if I can get them open like that. No, let me go and grab some scissors. I know you all love my outtakes. So here I am back with my under eye masks, which are just loaded with cooling compounds, hyaluronic acid to really hydrate this delicate area, particularly under the skin. Now, if you're feeling really brave, you can carry on with your day on the computer like this. These can stay on till they're completely dry and crispy. But what this mask is doing is it's providing you with 3 different sizes of hyaluronic acid molecules, so that they're being soaked directly into the skin. They're able to get into the skin and hydrate below the surface, as well as sit on the surface and give that surface hydration, minimize lines, and the more the outside of the skin is hydrated, the more it glows and the less marks and blemishes you see. It's all just a little trick of light and having skin that's kind of plump and juicy. It's also providing a very horribly named Be Moist 24, which is holding moisture in the skin for about 72 hours. So you only have to use this really clever mask a couple of times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and you will see the results across the week. And of course, things like this, which you know I absolutely love, are perfect for home facial treatments like this, but also add extra magic if you can justify adding them into your skin routine on a daily basis. So I hope you really love this kit. It is available in our shop, and we will very happily talk to you and guide you through the best way to use it so you get just what you want out of your skin. Thank you.